Dear students, now we go for exercise 1.3 insets. Okay, see exercise 1.3 first question is make correct statements by filling the symbols subset or not a subset in the blank spaces. This is subset and not subset. We have already learnt these concepts. Okay, now we see each question what will come in the blank space, whether subset comes or not a subset comes. Okay, we will see. Question number 1, part number 1 in question number 1. Set of 2, 3, 4 dash or blank, set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See whether it is a subset or not. How we are going to see whether 2 is there? Yes. 3 is there? Yes. 4 is there? Yes. Then this is subset for this one and this is superset. Okay. But here superset is not asking. He is asking only subset. Then this is a subset of this one. Okay. Here A, B, C, D not there. That is why that we have to say. This is a subset of this one. Okay. Okay. This is subset. Next you come. A, B, C is a subset of B, C, D or not. Say A is there? No. Then we need not see. Why we see? Whether first element is not there, then stop there itself. Okay. This is not a subset. Okay. Now let's see the third part of the first question. For all values of x, x is a student of class 11 of your school. In your school, class 11 will be there. In class 11, one student is there. Okay. Now we are comparing that student with for all values of x, x is a student of your school. See, that student is of your class means already he is in your school. Okay. That means your school is bigger, your class is smaller. Automatically, your class student is a subset of your school student. That's all. Subset. Okay. Subset. Okay. Next come to fifth question. I have forgotten to write fourth question. Let us see fifth question. Then we will see fourth and sixth. Okay. Now see the fifth question. For all values of x, x is a triangle in plane. Okay. X is a triangle in plane. And we are comparing this triangle in plane to for all values of x, x is a rectangle in plane. How we are going to compare triangles and rectangles? Why? Because see, triangle is a polygon, rectangle is a polygon. If you want to compare with polygons, then triangle will be the subset. Polygons will be superset. But triangle we are not able to compare with rectangle. Rectangle is different, triangle is different. Triangle will not come under rectangle, but all will come under polygons. Okay. Now this is not a subset. Okay. Not a subset means what we have to write? This is the symbol. Okay. Now we go for fourth, sixth line. Okay. Now let us see fourth question. Fourth question what they have mentioned? For all values of x, x is a circle in the plane. First part. And comparing with for all values of x, x is a circle in the same plane with 1 unit radius. See, circle we are comparing here, circle diameter or radius they have not mentioned. We don't know whether this circle is less than this one or inscribed or not, we don't know. Okay, that is why this is not a subset. But see, x is a circle in the plane. Here, if x is a circles in the same plane comes, means circle is subset of circles. Okay, but here circles are not there and the same radius are not there. That is why here we can say that this is not a subset. Not a subset. Okay. Now we see sixth part. For all values of x, x is an equilateral triangle in plane. Okay. How many triangles are there? Scalene triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle. All triangles comes under the together triangles. If this side triangle set is there, then automatically equilateral triangle is a subset of triangle. Equilateral triangle is a subset of triangle. Isosceles triangle is a subset of triangle. Scalene triangle is subset of triangle. Right angle triangle is subset of triangle. Okay. Then it is subset. Okay. Now you see the seventh part. For all values of x, x is an even natural number comparing with for all values of x, x is an integer. See, natural number is smaller, integers are bigger. Why? Because integers having 0, minus integer, positive integer, negative integer, positive integer, but natural numbers only positive. The two even natural number is telling automatically natural number is the subset of integers. Okay, subset. There should be no doubt. You have to watch my basic videos. Okay, then concept will be very clear to you. Otherwise, you are not able to understand the chapters directly. Okay, with this we have finished the first question. We go for. Okay, now let us see the second question. Second question, what they have mentioned. Examine the following statements are true or false. See, we have to write true or false. That's all. We need not give any explanation. Let us see first one by one. First part in second question. Set A, B, set A comma B is not a subset of B, C, A. See, A is there, B is there, then it is a subset. But he is telling that it is not a subset. This is false. False. Okay. Now let us see second one. Set AE is a subset of X for all values of X. X is a vowel in English alphabet. We know vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay, remaining all consonants. In 26 letters in the English alphabet, A, E, I, O, U is vowel. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Okay, A, E, vowel only. Here also vowel is telling vowels. 5 vowels are there. 2 vowels is subset. Yes, true. I read here true. Okay, for second one this is true. Let us see third one. 1, 2, 3 is a subset of 1, 3, 5. See, 1 is there, yes. 2 is there, not there. Then not a subset, but he is telling that subset. False. Why? Because 2 is not there. Okay? You need not see further. One element doesn't match mean automatically you stop. Why? Because see, always left side will be subset, right side will be superset. Okay, left side will be subset, right side will be superset. We are seeing from lesser number to higher number. Lesser number elements are not there in higher number superset, then you stop there. Okay, let us see next fourth part. A is a subset of ABC. Yes, very good. Correct. Why? Because singleton. A is a set here, subset. Yes, true. Now, set A belongs to ABC. See, I have already explained you. Elements belongs to sets, subsets. But here subset, set is not belong to another set. Belongs to, we should not write. This is correct. Subset. Subset is correct, but belongs to. See, elements belongs to. See, A belongs to ABC set. But here set A doesn't belong. Okay, this is false. You understand now why false? Why? Because see here element belongs to comes for elements only, not for subsets, not for sets. Okay. Now we go for sixth part. For all values of x, x is an even natural number less than 6. Okay. Even natural number less than 6. What are there? 4 is there. 2 is there. Okay. Less than 6. Subset of x is a natural number divides 36. Naturally these are going to divide. 2 18 times it divide, 4 9 times it divides. Okay. Automatically see whether more number are going to divide or not, we don't know. But even equal set also subset only. That is why this matches. Subset means this is correct, true. We need not see further what are all numbers are going to divide. Yes, 3 divides, but 3 is not an even number. Here even number is asking. Okay, but you don't see. Even numbers you write first whether these are going to divide 36 or not. If divides automatically you write subset. That's all. Okay. Now we have finished second part of this question. We go for. Okay, students, see the third question. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 as a element 5. Here if you observe 1, 2, 5 along with 1, 2, 5 braces 3, 4 is an element here. 3, 4 is not subset. Okay, 3, 4 as an element. Which of the following statements is incorrect and why? If statement is incorrect, then we have to give the reason. If statement is correct, we need not give any reason. Okay, let us see first one. 3 4 under braces is a subset of A. 100% wrong. Why? Because see, 3 4 is element here under braces. That means set. We can say set. Set 3 4 is an element here. Why? Because see, even though it is a set, but it has become an element in the set A. Element not going to become subset. Okay? Incorrect. Incorrect. Now we write y. Y means here 3 4 is an element. Okay, 3 4 is an element. Why? Because 3 4 separately it may be set or subset, but when it goes inside this set, automatically it is going to become element. Why? Because under set only elements will be there. This is basic we have learned. Now we see second part. Under braces 3 4 is belongs to A. 100% correct. Why? Because see here 3 4 under braces is an element. Element belongs to set. Correct. Correct. Need not give any explanation for correct means. Incorrect means why. Third part. 3 4 braces, that means set 3 4 under braces belongs subset of A. 100% correct. Why? Because see, if you write only under braces 3 4 as a set, but here it is an element. Now I consider this as an element. Element not a subset, but now element under braces is become subset. Or set. Set is become subset. Correct. If you observe 1 and 3, you are going to understand. Okay, here it is incorrect, but here it is correct. Why? Because extra braces have come. Extra braces makes it as a set. But earlier it was only an element. Why? Because it is an element. Okay, now you see the fourth part. 1 belongs to A. 100% correct. Why? Because belongs to comes for elements. Subset comes for sets. Here 1 is an element. You see, 1 is an element, 2 is an element, 5 is an element. Along with braces 3 4 is an element. 1 is an element. Element belongs to A. Correct. Okay. Now you see, 1 is subset of A. 100% wrong. Why? Because 1 is an element. Element cannot be subset. If you put under braces, then it will be okay. But it is not under braces. It is open. 1 is not a subset. But here they have written subset. That is why this is incorrect. If it is incorrect, then why? Why? 1 is an element. 1 is an element. That's all. Why? Because examiner knows element doesn't become subset like. Sets only become subset. Element doesn't become subset. Examiner knows. You need not write. You have to write only this one. 1 is an element. If you write this much, enough. Now so sixth question. 1 2 5 subset of A. 100% correct. You see, 1 2 5 are elements. If you put under braces, automatically it is going to become a set or a subset. Automatically set is a subset of A. 100% correct. You need not give an explanation. Correct. Okay. Seventh one. 1 2 5 under braces belongs to A. 100% wrong. Why? Because without braces means belongs to. With braces means it is a set. Set doesn't belongs to set. Set subset of set. Elements belongs to set. Okay. Now rather than elements, set they have made. Set they have made, but they are telling that belongs to. Wrong. Incorrect. Right? First incorrect. Incorrect. Now you write the explanation. Why? Because incorrect means you have to give the explanation. Why? 1 2 5 under. Okay, write like this. 1 2 5 is not element. That's all. 1 2 5 is not element. It is a set or subset. That is why belongs to doesn't come. Okay. Now we have finished up to 7. We will go 8th, 9th, 10 like. See, part 8 of the third question. 1 2 3 under braces subset of A. See here 1 2 is there, 5 is there. But 3 4 together you have to write under braces. But 3 you cannot break and bring outside. Why? Because 3 4 is locked. Now it is not going to become a subset. Incorrect. Incorrect. Incorrect means then why? Why? Because 3, 4 is an element. If you write this, then examiner is going to understand why, because subset is there, but element you cannot make. Why? Because 3, 4 is an element you cannot break and bring outside. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, now you see ninth one. 5 belongs to A. See, empty set is a subset for everything. Now I write first here correct. Empty set is subset for every set. When empty set is subset, MC set is not belongs to A. Why? Because empty set, this 5 is inside this, then it is okay. If 5 is not there inside, 5 is a subset, not belongs to. 5 is not an element. Empty set is not an element. Okay, this is incorrect. Okay, now why? Why means 5 is not an element. That's all. Okay, 5 is not an element. Okay, now you see the 11th one. 5 under braces is subset of A. Wrong. Why? Because see, 5 is subset of A. 5 under braces, how you are going to make? Why? Because 5 element is there inside, then it is going to become a subset. Okay, 5 is not an element. If it is an element, then this is correct. Element you are making braces and it is going to become set and subset. Set, this subset comes for sets only, not for elements. Okay, now we can write incorrect. Then what we have to write again here? Same. 5 is not an element. If 5 is an element, then this is correct. Okay. Now we have finished third question. We go for fourth. Okay, see the fourth question. Write down all subsets of the following sets. Some sets they have given, we have to write subset. We know every set has got subsets itself. Empty set is a subset to every set, like that is there. If more number of elements is there, subsets are going to become more. Like a power set. Okay, 2 power n. One element is there means 2 power 1. 2 subsets will come. 2 elements are there means 2 power 2. 4 subsets will come. 3 elements are there means 2 power 3. 8 elements will come. Not one element here. Empty set. Empty set means 0. 2 power 0. 1. One element is going to come. One subset is going to come here. Okay. Let us see. We will one by one. Then you are going to understand the concept also. Okay. Okay. Now see. Set A, singleton set. What are the subsets? Subset I am going to make 2 power 1. 2 sets have to come. First set is 5. 5 is a subset for every set. Then second set is full set. This set. Okay, over. Now let us go for second question. First set is 5. Next full set A comma B. Next A, next B. Okay, 2 power 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 subsets have come over. Now you see this one. First 5. Next 1, 2, 3. Next 1. Next 2. Next 3. Next 1, 2. Next 2, 3. Next 1, 3. How many? 2 power 3, 8 sets have to come. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finish it. Here. See, this is different. This is singleton set. One element is there inside. But here, empty set. Empty set means no element. No element means 0 element. 0 element means 2 power 0. 2 power 0 means what? 1. 5. Every set is having subset of itself. Then 5 is having 5 as a subset. This is the answer for fourth question. Okay. Now we go for. Okay. Let us see a fifth question. How many elements has power set A if A is equal to 5? A is equal to empty set. How many sets it is having? Power set means combination of all the subsets. If empty set is there, how many elements will come? Empty set means 0 element. 2 power 0, 1. Only 1 will come. This is the answer for this question. 1. Okay? 1. Only 1 set will come. Okay, now you see the sixth question. Write the following as intervals. Intervals I have told you how to write and all. Okay? Let us see how to write intervals here. Okay, first part. For all values of x, x belongs to R means a real number. Real number is bigger. Real number is having rational and irrational. Rational number is having integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, everything are going to become real numbers. Okay? Now you see, for all values of x, x belongs to R. X is greater than -4 but less than or equal to 6. Okay, first let me write the symbol. -4 comma 6 you have to write. Wait, now you put brackets. Bracket or parenthesis. You see here equal to is not there. Open interval. Open interval means parenthesis. 6 is a closed interval. Why? Because equal to sign is there. Closed interval means bracket. You understand now? Okay. Now you see, for all values of x, x belongs to R, -12 to -10, but you make the symbol like that. First let me write -12 comma -10. Okay, -12 to -10 is correct, but it is a positive number 10 to 12. -12 is smaller, -10 is bigger, smaller to bigger. Okay, you understand now? Okay. Now you see, -12 is open interval. Why? Because equal to sign is not there. Open means -10 is also open interval. Equal to sign is not there. Parenthesis. Open interval, open bracket like. Okay. Now see the third one. For all values of x, x belongs to R. X is greater than 0 or equal to 0 but less than 7. Let me write first 0, 7. Then we will see. 0, 7. Okay, 0, 7. Now put the bracket or parenthesis accordingly. See, this is a closed interval. Why? Because equal to sign is there. Closed means bracket. 7 is open interval. Why? Because equal to sign is not there. Open interval means parenthesis. Okay, all are different. You see, you have to write like this only, not like 9th or 10th class brackets. These are parenthesis, bracket. All are different. These are braces. For all values of x, x belongs to R. X is greater than or equal to 3, less than or equal to 4. Here all are closed intervals. You see equal to both sides have come. That is why 3, 4. Because closed intervals, closed brackets. You understand now this concept? This is the answer for 6th question. Now we go for 7th question. Okay, now see the 7th question. Write the following intervals in set builder form. Earlier we have seen set builder form, we have made some parentheses or brackets intervals. Now intervals they have given, but based on intervals you have write in set builder form. Okay, now I am going to write. See, whatever the number you take, real number only. Don't take integers, natural numbers like that. Why? Because real number if you take, it is enough. Okay, I am writing like this. Set builder form. For all values of x, x belongs to R. X belongs to R. Now x minus 3, 0. Okay. Now we decide what to write. Both are open brackets only. Open parenthesis. Parenthesis. Parenthesis means only this one. Close it. You understand now? Okay. Now we go for second one. For all values of x, x belongs to R. Okay, x 6, 12. Close. Now you put the brackets. See, both are closed brackets. Brackets are there. Brackets means equal to symbol has to come. Equal to symbol means like this. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, this symbol has to come. Here this symbol has not come. Why? Because this is open. This is also open. That is why equal to symbol has not come. Here equal to symbol has to come. Okay, now let's See third one. For all values of x, x belongs to R. X 6, 12 closed. Parenthesis closed. Sorry, brace closed. Now you decide. This is open. Open means this is closed. Closed means equal to symbol also should come. Okay. Okay. Now see fourth one. For all values of x, x belongs to real number x minus 23 5. Okay, minus 23 5. Now we decide symbols. Closed. Closed means equal to symbol will come. Open. Open means only less than. X is less than 5 but greater than minus 23. Now you understand the intervals how to write. If set builder form, how to write in interval form. In intervals, set builder form. This is answer for your 7th question. Let us go for 8th. Okay. See the 8th question. What universal sets would you propose for each of the following? Universal sets you have to propose. Universal set is a bigger number, smaller amount. We can compare with bigger number. Population of India is subset, but world population is universal set. Like that you have to remember. See, number 1, the set of right triangle. See, right triangle, right angle triangle, both are same. Right angle triangle. The set of right angle triangle, if you consider it as a subset, then what will be the universal set? Set of triangles is equal to set of triangles. Okay. In triangles, right triangles will come, isosceles triangle will come, equilateral triangle will come, scalene triangles will come. All triangles will come under triangles. That is why triangles is bigger, universal. Isosceles or right angle triangles are subset. See the second part. The set of isosceles triangle, same answer, is equal to set of triangles. If you take set of triangles, inside the set of triangles, isosceles triangles will be there, right angle triangles will be there, equilateral triangles will be there, scalene triangles will be there. Okay? You understand, na? This is the answer for 8th question. We go for 9th question. Okay. You see, given the sets A is equal to 1, 3, 5, B is equal to 2, 4, 6, and C is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 3 sets are there. They are asking which of the following may be considered as universal set for all the 3 sets A, B, C. One universal set will be there. Then these all should be inside available. All elements should be available. Then these are going to become subsets and this is a universal set. Which is the set they are asking? See here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. But here 8 is there. 8 is not there. That is why this is not the universal set. Okay, now 5 is anyway not universal set. 5 is a empty set. Now fourth see 0 is not there. Even though 8 is there but 0 is not there. Then close the matter. Now you see there 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 8 is there. Answer you have to write 3. You understand na? Okay. Now we have finished the 1.3 exercise. Then we go for concepts before the 1.4 exercise and we will do exercise 1.4 also accordingly. Okay. Thank you.